How to check search history in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Now, today I'm going to show you how you can use two ways to check the search history on your Snapchat. First, the simple one is you can just go to your chats, and then here on the top you'll find the search icon. Just tap on it, and then from here you can search for anything and then it will appear up. Another one is you can go to your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen and then go to the settings icon on the top right. uh you can go to my data, scroll down, and here you'll find all of your history. You can just hit next. You can just choose the date range and then export it. And you need to put in your email address and confirm it, and the downloaded copy will be sent to you on your email address. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.